What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviving my 2-week-old straight hair with some Flexi rods, so let's get into it. Whew, y'all, this hair was looking so crazy, so I had to do something about it. So I decided to try some Flexi rods for the first time ever, and it was a struggle. Also, y'all, don't worry, the products are going to be linked in the description below, so we're all good. Alright, so here I'm just kind of putting my hair in 4 different sections so I can get these Flexi rods started. Basically what I'm going to do is go in with just a little bit of product after I've brushed out my hair, make sure it's detangled, and now I'm just literally wrapping my hair around the rod. I basically twisted it on the rod. I saw a lot of different methods on how I could put Flexi rods into my hair. I found it easier to just twist my hair around it. I saw different people doing different things, but this is what worked for me. So yeah, I'm just detangling, adding product, and then twisting my hair around the rod. Like I said, this process worked easiest for me, and once I get towards the end of the rod, basically what I'm doing is putting gel to keep my hair in place on the rod. Y'all, I was so happy to be done putting these rods in my hair. It looks like I'm super happy, but I was tired, so I went ahead, put on my huge bonnet. You can get one of these bonnets at any local beauty supply store. And now I'm about to go to sleep. So here I am. It's like 6 o'clock in the morning, y'all. I recorded this at 6 a.m. I was so tired. But look at my face when I take out this first roll. I was so shocked, you guys. So, I told you guys that I never did flexi rods before, but they turned out so cute. I was so happy with my results, you guys. I was kind of scared that it wasn't really gonna curl, that maybe I put too much product, which that's why I wanted you guys to know, like, if you're gonna do this style, don't put in a lot of product because you don't want it to take forever for your hair to dry. And I did a really good job at not being heavy-handed for once and just putting like literally a dime size, maybe a quarter, maybe I went to a quarter, but just a drop of product. So I was so proud of myself for doing that. Look at these curls, y'all. Look how bouncy they are. I'm loving it. So here I'm just pretty much separating my curls. I don't want them to look too Shirley Temple-ish, so I went ahead and separated them just so they can look a little bit more natural, like more of like a beach wave. And here I'm just pretty much giving my roots a little comb action, basically like picking out my roots and then rubbing some of that edge control on my edges because I did not do that last night. I was so tired. So I was like, I'm just gonna do it in the morning. Yeah, and I love this edge control. It's by Edge Booster, so if you haven't tried it, definitely pick it up. Alright, you guys, here's the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed to tune in for the next video. You don't want to miss it.